Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, The Neat Way to Neat. Today, we will be dealing with something that everyone faces at some or other stage of their student life. Why my timetable doesn't ever work. Before we get going, don't forget to subscribe if you are a new visitor and also do like and share the video. Let's begin then. One day, you suddenly get the exam schedule and you realize that it's high time that you should start studying. Or you come across some motivating video on YouTube and get that motivation to start studying. If you are like most of the students out there, first step after this is making a timetable and your super determined decision to follow it. What happens to that timetable after a few days is even more consistent. The day you decide to follow your timetable, some urgent work pops up, or someone decides to visit you, or you need to go out, or some other thing happens, due to which you can't follow your schedule, and poof, all the motivation you had literally evaporates. This keeps happening and the schedule is rarely followed beyond a week. Why does this happen? How to stick to your schedule? How to get your work done in time? We will try to find reasons behind this and also solution to it. So stay with me till the end of the video. First is over expecting. You rarely studied beyond 1 hour till the day and you suddenly start expecting to do it for 10 hours the next day. कोई सेंस है इस बात में? Changes are always gradual. There is nothing sudden and consistent except mutations. And mind you, even mutations are rare events. So always start gradually. If you have been waking up at 10 am, then start by waking up 2 hours early in the beginning and then carry on to challenge yourself further. If you did not study for long, first make a habit of sitting at your desk without using phone for an hour straight. Habits are never one day or 1 week matter. They come up with practice. So give yourself some time to develop habit of studying regularly. Second is being too strict with yourself. This happens mostly after watching some motivational video. I am going to study 6 hours straight for 2 times a day. Doing this makes no sense. Your mind needs some time to rewire and consolidate everything you studied, and you need to take small breaks between study sessions for that. You simply cannot study with exhausted mind, and if you try to do, your productivity will be negative. So allow your mind to rest in between the study sessions. Third is underestimating the syllabus. This is one of the important things which makes following study schedule a tough task. Allotting less than required time for something not only makes you rush through and miss some points, but also leaves you with small bits of uncovered syllabus every day, which keeps getting piled up, and at the end it is left neglected. So do not forget to keep 5 to 10% of extra time for every tough part. If you don't need it, then you can start doing something else and finish early, or you can take longer breaks as reward. Fourth is not having the cover up time for surprises. This might sound odd, but being prepared for surprise distractions is very important for making a foolproof plan. For example, you know the coming birthdays or events which you might need to attend. So it's always better to plan and reschedule beforehand. This is about the things which you know and can control. There are many events which you cannot estimate. What about those? For those, I recommend keeping half of your Sunday free to cover up whatever you could not cover during the week. Do this and you would no more have piled up work in front of you. Fifth is evergreen, lack of purpose or motivation. Any external motivation stays with you for short period of time. If you really want to accomplish something on long run, never rely on external motivation. Once the desire to achieve something comes from within you, you put your heart and soul into it. Try to find your purpose of studying. Always remind yourself, why are you doing this? Once you find this why, you would never need anything else to keep you on track. More things which can make your study schedule work are distributing tasks topic wise rather than time slot wise. That means instead of setting I will study biology for 3 hours today, set it as I will read 1 chapter of biology today. Keeping your phone out of sight is really helpful when you do not want to get distracted by constant buzzing notification. Keep your desks or study area organized. Do this and half your time which is wasted in searching stuff will be saved. Don't do anything which will make you leave your desk in between the study sessions. Keep your water bottle handy. pen, pencils, highlighter, notebooks. In short, everything you might need should be within your reach. If you cannot complete something even after doing everything possible, do not disturb your next day's schedule for it. Keep it aside and do it when you finish something early. Shifting tasks just sets in a vicious cycle and disrupts your complete schedule. So guys, that was it for today. If you found this helpful, do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Do comment below and tell me what do you want from the upcoming videos, or you can write to me at theneatwaytoneet@gmail.com. Link to the Instagram is also there in the description box. Just drop a message and I'll be happy to help. Okay then, see you in the next video. Till then, happy learning.